2x squared minus 50 equals 0. The first thing I can see over here is that I can see a common 2 that can go into each term. So I've got to take out the common 2 that can divide. I want to get x squared on its own because it's easier to factorize. So I take out the 2 and I'm left with x squared. So I have to divide the 50 by 2 as well. And it becomes 25. And if you're not sure how to do this, just remember if you multiply it back in, you got to go back to the start. And you can quickly do that and check that. The next thing is I have, again, a difference of squares. So I've got to put my alarm bell on and say, oh, it's square minus square. Okay, that means this can become 2 brackets. That means I can write 2 brackets with the square root of 25 in each and x in each. So x in x, square root of 25 is 5, 5 and 5. And because it's the difference of squares and I've memorized the method, it's plus and minus. Then take each bracket, make it equal to 0. Or just go straight to the answer. X equals negative 5. Put or, you got x minus 5 equals 0. X equals 5. And that's your final answer for this one. Alright, let's go to solving quadratic equations, rearranging and factorizing. Solving quadratic equations, rearranging and factorizing. Let's have a look at question number 5. Okay, x minus 1, x plus 6, x times x plus 3. It was x minus 1, x plus 6, x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 6 and equals x bracket x plus 3. Alright, this is the last example for today. What you got to do for this kind of question, the first thing you have to do is expand all the brackets out. Expand all the brackets out, and that's going to be multiply like this. X times x gives you x squared, and then negative 1 times x gives you negative x minus 6. So plus 6x, sorry, it's supposed to be plus 6x. Let's just undo that quickly. So remember, it's x times 6 is 6x, then negative 1x minus 6. This side here, we're just multiplying it into one bracket. So x times x is x squared, plus x times 3 is 3x. The next thing you have to do is simplify each side. Simplify each side by collecting like terms. On the right hand side of this equation, I don't have to simplify it, but on the left hand side of the equation, I spot like terms. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So this will become x squared plus 5x minus 6. And I just rewrite the other side. The next step, make the right hand side equal to 0, or the left hand side. Make them equal to 0. I'm going to make this side equal to 0. And to do that, I'm going to bring everything over to the left hand side. So I'm going to have x squared plus 5x minus 6. And when I move anything over an equation, I got to change sides and change signs. So be careful here. So this becomes negative x squared. And this will become negative 3x. And I'm left with nothing on the right hand side, so I put 0. I can see like terms again. I see like terms. I like terms because it simplifies. X squared minus x squared. Whoa! x squared is going to disappear. So these guys disappear. X squared and x squared gone. That leaves me with 5x and 3x, which are the next like terms. So I've got plus 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x will give me 2x. So I'm left with 2x. And minus 6 doesn't have anything to simplify with. So just write minus 6 equals 0. That brings me to my final step, my final answer. I've got to simplify this one here and basically have the following in place. So I take 2x equals 6 because I move the 6 over to the right hand side and I divide both sides by 2, giving me my final answer, x, because it cancels, equals 3. So your answer is x equals 3 would give you the first bracket equal to the second bracket from the start of the entire problem. Okay, and that would be the final one for today.